Well, if you know me, you know I love motorcycles, and without a doubt, this is perhaps my biggest star at the 2020 Auto Expo. This is the Aprilia RSV4 1100 RF. And that means it gets winglets on its fairings. And also, this is the most powerful production motorcycle at this exhibition, as this one makes 217 horsepower. And that's not it. Almost every single thing about the Aprilia RSV4 1100 is menacing, to say the least. Let's start with the biggest highlight, that engine. This is a V4 unit that makes, as I said, massive 217 horsepower at the crank and delivers 122 Newton meters of torque. This liquid-cooled engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission that gets a slipper clutch and a quick shifter as standard. Add to that the fact that this motorcycle weighs just 177 kilos and you have one of the craziest and the fastest motorcycles on the planet. It's loaded to the brim with electronic rider aids that includes the likes of traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and Aprilia has thrown in cruise control into the mix as well. The hardware includes fully adjustable OHLIN suspension front and back, which can be done with the touch of a button, and interestingly, even the steering damper can be adjusted electronically. And with all of that aside, have you seen just how good this Aprilia looks? The highlight, of course, has to be those winglets on the fairing that is supposed to give you better stability while braking hard and while exiting the corner, as it keeps the front end grounded and prevents wheelies too. Aprilia also showcased the latest Tuono 1100 at their stall, which is the street-naked version of its full-fed sibling. All in all, Aprilia has one of the most exciting motorcycles at the Auto Expo 2020.